morning, everyone. My name is Jules Raymond Perez from grade 1. Today, I will teach you how to find the missing number by counting on in addition. Addition is putting two things together. Let's begin. I have here 5 plus blank equals 8. What is the missing number?
Woo!
We put 5 in mind and count on with our fingers up to 8. 5 in mind, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 3. So the missing number is 3. The missing number is 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Thank you for watching. Bye.